A lone figure cuts through the water, his muscles rippling with each stroke. Suddenly, he glances back, a surge of adrenaline flashing in his eyes as the shadowy figures draw closer. His heart races as he quickens his pace, feeling the power of the predator's presence behind him. With each stroke, he can hear the rhythmic sound of the sharks cutting through the water, a chilling reminder of the chase. The dark, ominous shapes draw closer, their sleek bodies weaving through the depths with alarming speed. As he pushes himself to the limit, the vast expanse of the ocean surrounding him seems both daunting and infinite. His lungs burn with exertion as he fights the waves, a battle of wills against the relentless pursuit of the predators. With a surge of determination, he summons every ounce of strength, his mind focused solely on reaching the safety of the shore. The distant sound of crashing waves signals the nearing sanctuary, a beacon of hope in the midst of peril. As he inches closer to the sanctuary, a wave of relief washes over him, fueling his final burst of effort to escape the encroaching danger. Gasping for breath, he collapses onto the safety of the shore, his heart still pounding from the harrowing swim through shark-infested waters. Under the protective embrace of the sanctuary, he takes a moment to reflect on his narrow escape, grateful for the chance to live another day. As the sun sets on the horizon, casting a golden glow over the metropolis, he begins to formulate a new plan, determined to navigate the challenges that lie ahead. With newfound resolve, he envisions a path to safety beyond the sanctuary walls, ready to face whatever obstacles may come his way. Embracing the unknown journey that awaits him, he rises to his feet, his spirit unyielding in the face of adversity.